Picture this. It's game night. You're gathered with friends, cheering on your team, and what's the perfect companion to this scene? You guessed it, buffalo wings. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the tantalizing tale behind these spicy, saucy delights? Today, we're unraveling the intriguing saga of buffalo wings, a story as spicy as the wings themselves. It's a chilly evening in Buffalo, New York, 1964. The Anchor Bar, a local watering hole, is bustling with patrons seeking refuge from the cold. Behind the scenes, Teresa and Frank Bellissimo, the proprietors, are hard at work in the kitchen. Legend has it that on this fateful night, a shipment of chicken wings arrived at the bar destined for the soup pot. However, faced with an unexpected surplus, Teresa had a stroke of culinary genius. Instead of relegating the wings to obscurity, she decided to fry them up, toss them in a zesty hot sauce concoction, and serve them alongside celery sticks and blue cheese dressing. Little did she know she was on the brink of creating a culinary masterpiece that would leave an indelible mark on the world of food. The response from patrons was immediate and ecstatic. They couldn't get enough of these spicy, tangy morsels, and soon, word spread like wildfire beyond the confines of Buffalo. Before long, buffalo wings had flown the coop, capturing the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts far and wide. And so, from humble beginnings in a cozy tavern kitchen, the legend of buffalo wings was born, forever etching its place in the annals of food history. As the flames of culinary creativity ignited by Teresa and Frank Bellissimo continued to spread, buffalo wings skyrocketed to fame, becoming a cultural phenomenon synonymous with sports events, gatherings, and casual dining. By the 1980s and 1990s, buffalo wings had firmly established themselves as the go-to snack for any occasion, especially during sports events like the Super Bowl. Their irresistible combination of crispy, juicy chicken wings and fiery hot sauce captured the hearts and taste buds of Americans across the nation. No longer confined to the cozy confines of Buffalo, these delectable delights had taken flight, landing on menus from coast to coast. Restaurants began offering their unique spins on the classic recipe, experimenting with different sauces, spice levels, and accompaniments to cater to diverse palates. From tangy barbecue to sweet teriyaki, the possibilities were endless, ensuring that there was a flavor for every preference. What truly set buffalo wings apart was their ability to bring people together. Whether it was cheering on your favorite team at a sports bar or bonding with friends over a shared plate at a backyard barbecue, their versatility and universal appeal transformed them from a humble bar snack to a culinary icon, firmly entrenched in the fabric of American cuisine. Now let's confront the spicy debate surrounding buffalo wings. While undeniably delicious, these fiery treats often spark discussions about their nutritional impact and health implications. On one hand, we have the sheer joy of sinking our teeth into crispy, succulent chicken wings drenched in tangy hot sauce. On the other hand, we're faced with the reality of their caloric content and fat-laden nature. Deep fried to perfection and coated in buttery sauce, buffalo wings can pack a hefty caloric punch, making them a potential dietary indulgence. However, like any indulgence, moderation is key. Enjoying buffalo wings as an occasional treat within a balanced diet can be a perfectly acceptable part of a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, there are ways to make buffalo wings healthier without sacrificing flavor. Opting for grilled or baked wings, choosing leaner cuts of chicken, and experimenting with lighter sauces can all help mitigate their nutritional impact. Ultimately, it's about finding the balance between savoring the flavor and being mindful of our health. So, while we can relish the deliciousness of buffalo wings, let's also remember to approach them with moderation and mindfulness. After all, the true joy of food lies not just in its taste, but also in the way it nourishes our bodies and brings us together. As we conclude our journey through the spicy saga of buffalo wings, let's reflect on their enduring legacy and cultural impact. Buffalo wings have transcended geographical boundaries and cultural barriers, uniting food enthusiasts from all walks of life over a shared love for their fiery flavor and communal spirit. From bustling sports bars in the heart of New York City to cozy kitchens in small-town America, buffalo wings have become a culinary fixture, woven into the fabric of our collective dining experiences. Their versatility and adaptability have led to countless variations and reinterpretations, inspiring chefs and home cooks alike to get creative with sauces, spices, and cooking methods. Whether it's classic buffalo-style wings, tangy barbecue wings, or fiery Asian-inspired wings, there's a flavor for every palate and preference. What's more, buffalo wings have become more than just a snack. They're a symbol of togetherness, camaraderie, and celebration. Whether it's cheering on your favorite team, celebrating milestones, or simply enjoying good food with loved ones, buffalo wings have a way of bringing people together, fostering connections, and creating lasting memories. So as we bid adieu to this spicy chapter in food history, let's raise our wings in salute to the humble beginnings, the flavorful journey, and the enduring legacy of buffalo wings. And there you have it, the spicy saga of buffalo wings. Join us next time as we uncover more tantalizing tales from the annals of food history. Until then, keep savoring the flavors and cherishing the stories behind every bite. Stay hungry, stay curious,